Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. Listen to my voice, I'm cracking up. Kruger Street Toys and Train Museum. And there it is, the Elm Grove Public School building is now a train museum. And it was built back in 1906. B&O Railroad Caboose C2019. And they got some stairs leading up here. See if we can go in. Well, door's not open. Nope, it's locked. But you can see inside, old wooden stove and a bed and a table. That's about it in there. Well, they're open, so let's just head on into the museum here. There's our hours of operation and price. Deliveries, please ring bell to the left. Ooh. Oh, door slammed. I guess they know we're here. We got an LGB layout. Climb up. Please do not climb on the table. I got some pinball machines. Well, they did say there's toys in here also. Harlem Globetrotters. Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man. I don't think that's Star Wars, it just says stars. I guess our resident cat here, Lewis. Hey, kitty. Nope, he's just chilling out. Press the button and the trains go. This is like whole Legoland over here. Circus, pirate ship. Well, there's 4 rooms down here, plus a gift shop. So we're gonna go into the miniatures. All right, Yoda, C3PO, and R2D2. Cardboard cutouts though. Oh, and these are all little toys and miniatures in here. Wow, look at all this stuff. Russian soldiers, German soldiers, Indians, cowboys, Vikings. Wow, look at these vintage toys here. The Riddler and Robin. Tonto and the Lone Ranger. Evel Knievel. It goes on and on. Hall of Presidents. Vintage toys up here. King Kong on the skyscraper. And still in the box, the Star Trek USS Enterprise. Star Wars. Whole bunch of Star Wars action figures here. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Gumby and Pokey. Now we're getting into the little figures. So a whole wall full. Doll room. If you have nightmares on dolls, this wouldn't be the room to go in. Giant doll house. A lot of vintage stuff in here. Looks like one of the original Barbies. There's Ken, all the Barbie stuff. All Barbies. Metal houses. Maybe I can find Waldo or something. There's the Long Ranger in Tonto again. There, Groucho Marx, Elvis, Pee-wee. There's Waldo. That might be John Wayne in the back, I'm not sure. Transportation room. Like in every room, I'm sure we're just going to see vintage cars, trucks, planes. Wow, these old G.I. Joe armored cars, tanks. Wow, look at all this stuff. There's another Waldo up there. I think that'd be Mrs. Waldo. Oh, here we go. I remember having one of these wind-ups with the engines would turn colors and blink and flash and off they go. A lot of these things are back in the 1960s. And have some old Matchbox cars and Hot Wheels. Too bad I got rid of all mine. They're probably worth some big bucks now. As I was leaving the transportation room, this is a American Airlines pilot uniform that was donated. Into the game room. Twister, remember that? That's on carpet though, it used to be plastic.
Did you place them? Oh, we had a money on them.
Rock'em Sock'em Robots back in 1965.
Here, need some more?
Well, I don't remember this one. Skinny Bones? Don't remember that one. A lot of this other stuff I do though. Light Bright pegboards, Etch or Sketch, Skittle Pool. Oh my god, I remember having one of those.
Gage, this is what a camera used to look like.
All this stuff.
Look at the tops. I remember the top, the big, yeah.
This guy's playing with large dominoes over here. Oh my god. All these games. Life.
That was the dumbest thing.
Trivial Pursuit.
Yeah, we're probably not going to have
The old Boggle and Scrabble. Simon, Chinese Checkers. Candyland, Chutes and Ladders. It goes on and on. I was actually pretty good at operation there. Oh, and there's another Waldo. He must just be all over the place. Ouija board. Slot car room. Please let the cashier know if the slot cars are not working. We are happy to assist you. Let's see if we can get these slot cars working. This is pretty neat. All right. Then after you're done, place a car here when not in use. Pretty good comic book collection here. They said they have a lot more, but they just have these out for right now. Trains. Welcome. Oh, I thought they might have some running, but old Lionel and O Gauge. G gauge up there. These are all line L's in here. Wow. HO gauge. Different signals and bridges. I'm looking for a Waldo. I've seen him in every room, but I don't see him in this one. O gauge trains. All right, let's start hitting the button here. Hit the button, make the trains go. Oil refinery over here. There's a lot of industry. There's all these buttons here. I'm going to hit the button for the welder. Oh, he's over there welding some pipe. All these trains here. Like I said, vintage trains in the glass cases here. Of course, this whole museum is vintage. These are in pretty mint condition. Well, it looks like we have a derailment up there. Circus is in town. Welcome to K-Land. That was 2012. That's those plastic connect pieces that you can put together like here and make roller coasters and Ferris wheels and... Oh, red button. All right. Got this spinning thing going. I don't see the roller coaster working, but there it is. Giant Ferris wheel. Well, we can watch this one go. And into the station. HO gauge. I think this is the last room of the tour. This is quite a collection. Old brass, gold-plated. 15 dinosaurs are hidden throughout the HO gauge layout. Can you find them? I probably won't be able to, but here we go. Hit the button. And nothing's working. Or maybe it takes a minute or two. Looks like we just have one single engine running. Nothing else. The old Air Force One 707 is coming in for a landing. There's one dinosaur. There's another dinosaur. I think I'll give up on the dinosaur hunt. The Great Garlow. Battery powered. Even had a hand operator. He'd move around. These things were made in 1961 to 1962, and when you purchased the first edition, it was $11.99, but when the came out the next year, they were only $10.99. Surprise bags. $2, $4, $6. Boy or girl, take your pick. Well, that's a good little stop over there at the Toy and Train Museum. A lot of cool stuff, a lot of vintage stuff in there. So if you're ever in Elm Grove, Pennsylvania, that's where this is at. All right, and on that note, traveler out.